Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to address a few comments that I have received on YouTube concerning AI. I'm going to go ahead and share these with you, and I am going to respond to you if you are listening. So I'm going to put them up on the screen. So the first comment says, please, as artists who work hard to create and bring life into the world, do not use AI art. The databases from Leonardo and other AI software steals from real artists' work. They get no money from AI for their skills and source, and it turns their work into lifeless images. Canva has consistent graphics that are created by artists who approve their work to be on Canva. One thing that I want to say about that comment. First things first. It says, please use what they have and support humans. When you use the Canva art and some of the elements, you can get your Amazon KDP account shut down according to many people. Many people claim that because you use Canva and you want to use it in self-publishing and you use some of the elements, whether pro or anything on this subject is not clear, but from what I have heard and what I have read, it is not smart to use the Canva elements and graphics when you're self-publishing a book on Amazon, a platform like Amazon, because you can get your account or your book blocked. Now, in this specific comment, basically telling us not to use AI art. To you, I want to ask you a question. What do you say to a single mom who has, and this I say from experience, of knowing someone, okay? So what do you say to a single mom who has creative ideas, but she doesn't have the skill and to draw and illustrate, and she doesn't have the money to go ahead and pay an artist such as yourself the kind of money that you're worth, that your work is worth? Would you tell that single mom, well, give up and wait until you can pay an artist, an illustrator to make art for you? Or would you recommend more affordable options so that she can bring her ideas to life? Personally, because I've worked with so many different people and I want to help people, I would recommend other options that are more affordable and are more realistic according to what she can do in the specific time in her life. Yes, the ideal situation would be to go ahead and search for an illustrator, which I have done that personally. Pay them $300 for 10 pages or not even in some cases. And then guess what? You spent the money and you do not see a return on your investment because you're new to self-publishing. You don't know the marketing side, and then you are at a negative. So what do you say to someone like that? What do you say to someone that doesn't have the skills and doesn't have the means to be able to pay a professional illustrator? What do you say? Now I'm going to go ahead and read another comment. It's from Luna Wilder 8739. This is wrong. Using AI to write cheap, poor quality slop for children instead of actually giving them something they can enjoy and learn from. There are so many like you flooding the stores with this garage. I'm pretty sure she meant garbage for quick money. You aren't a self-publisher. You're a scammer. To you, I say, is it really scamming when you're just trying to find creative options to just bring ideas to life? Is that really a scam? I'm sorry to break it to you and those who write similar comments, not only to me, but to other creators like myself that talk about self-publishing and are trying to find other ways, affordable ways to go ahead and publish your ideas. To you, I say, AI is not going anywhere. If anything, it's only going to get more powerful. It's only going to allow us and give us opportunities to go ahead and create more of what we want. AI isn't going anywhere. So it's time to pivot and get creative. Think outside the box. Maybe that's going to mean for you as an illustrator or an actual graphic designer, that may be going to mean that you will have to offer your services for a lot less. Maybe that's going to allow you to take a different creative route and just think outside the box. Maybe come up with your own version of Canva or your own software or your own platform. Or, I mean, I really don't know. Check ChatGPT. I'm pretty sure ChatGPT will give you 10 ideas on what you can do as a professional illustrator and graphic designer. Ideas on how you can leverage AI so that you can make your art more powerful and be able to sell it very affordably for a large audience of people. The reality is that a lot of people coming into self-publishing, they don't have a large budgets. They don't have, I know what I'm telling you because I've been there. I have helped hundreds of people self-publish their books. And by helping them, I'm talking about ghostwriting, helping them design their book covers with Canva and other software. I have helped them format. I've even learned formatting, and I've learned different software, how to use different software, what software is it user-friendly. I mean, there are just so many things that go into self-publishing that from everyone that I've helped, because I've seen the struggle, I've struggled myself, and there's a lot of pros and cons, and there are a lot of bumps on the road when it comes to self-publishing, that I've made it my mission to go ahead and find ways to make the process a little bit smoother and more possible for more people to actually publish their ideas, their stories. Sure, it would be great for people to learn illustration, and it would be great, but we're living in a world, I don't know about you, but are you a mom? I mean, do you know what it is to have children, to have to feed these kids and spend time with them and take them to the extracurricular activities? You barely have time to go poop in peace. I mean, life is busy and it's hectic, and AI makes it possible for us to condense the time and be able to create the things that enlighten us, that make us feel more confident, that make us feel more alive. I know that whenever I have published a book in the past, I feel more alive. I feel like this idea that I've been carrying with me, and it's like weighing on me, it's been released into the world, and I feel a little bit lighter, a little bit happier, a little bit more fulfilled. And there is nothing wrong with using AI. And I want to say that even if you right now, if maybe you're thinking about using AI software, but are not really sure, there's a lot of good ways to use it, and there is wrong ways to use it. You don't want to just publish garbage out there. I've said it in many of my videos. You don't want to publish garbage just because you want to see if you can make a quick buck. Like the person in this comment wrote, saying that basically there are so many like you flooding the stores with this garbage for quick money. I have never in any of my videos said that you using AI or publishing books in a certain way is quick money. It's the actual opposite. It is not quick money. It is a journey that takes a lot of your time, energy, focus, learning, a lot of learning. But it's fun nonetheless, especially if you're a passionate writer and you're passionate about your ideas and you're passionate about poetry. Why not go back to that and use a little bit of AI to bring those ideas and those purposeful projects that we have to life? Why not use AI? Guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any comments, let me know your thoughts on this whole AI thing. AI software. What do you guys think? You know, have you guys come across this, or any doubts of whether or not you should use AI? I would love to hear from you guys and see what is your when it comes to using AI, especially when you're trying to use it for self-publishing. I will see you on the next video. God bless.